In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft Outlook to Mailchimp. We'll use Zapier to link the two so new Outlook contacts automatically become Mailchimp subscribers, saving you time and keeping your audience list up to date. Start by creating a free account on the Zapier website. The free plan is enough for this workflow. After you sign up and verify your account, head to your Zapier dashboard. You'll be creating a new automation called a Zap that has one trigger and one action. Choose your apps. In the Zap editor, search for and select Microsoft Outlook as your trigger app and Mailchimp as your action app. This tells Zapier where to watch for activity and where to send the data. Now authenticate both accounts. Zapier will prompt you to sign in to Outlook and Mailchimp and to grant permission so it can move data between them. Use your regular login credentials. You don't need any special keys. Approve the requested access, and if you use multiple mailboxes or Mailchimp workspaces, confirm you've connected the right ones. You can always remove or update these connections later from your Zapier settings. Define the trigger. Choose New Contact in Microsoft Outlook. This means each time a contact is created in your Outlook contacts, Zapier will catch it. If Zapier offers options like selecting a specific contacts folder, pick the one where you typically add new people, so you are only syncing what matters. Define the action. In Mailchimp, select Add Update Subscriber. Choose the audience list you want to grow, then map fields so the right information flows into Mailchimp. At minimum, map the Outlook email address to Mailchimp's email address field. If you store first and last names in Outlook, map those too so your Mailchimp audience stays personalized. Review any options like updating existing subscribers to avoid duplicates and be mindful of your Mailchimp double opt-in and marketing permission settings to comply with your policies. Test and activate. Zapier can pull a sample contact from Outlook and send it to Mailchimp. Review the test result and check your Mailchimp audience to confirm the contact appears with the correct details. If anything looks off, adjust your field mapping or audience selection, then run the test again. When everything looks good, click Publish to turn the automation on. From now on, new Outlook contacts will flow into Mailchimp without manual entry. That's it, your connection is live and working in the background. Thanks for watching.